Okay guys, very quickly, I wanted to share this Hoover all-terrain vacuum. I am honestly so obsessed with this. I've been a cordless girly for quite a long time, and I just wanted to go out on a limb and purchase an old traditional vacuum. And I will say that all my cordless vacuums are probably going to end up going into the trash, especially after the fact that I just cleaned the same exact space, and this is what I picked up after going over it with this one. The setup for this was super easy. It really took just like 5 minutes to put together. The instructions were spot on. Very simple, very just easy to do. The thing I loved so much about it was the fact that it's not only able to be used as a regular vacuum, but you can come right here and press this button and it detaches the hose for the extra parts to be put on there. And it's super easy. You literally just pull it out and then put those on the end right here and get going. I thought that was super cool because most vacuums, they obviously have like the hose that is like on the side and you have to like undo it and mess with it, and sometimes it pops off with the different attachment pieces. But this has like its actual own stand that's very sturdy and well put together, so you don't have to worry about all that. It came with this one of the skinny hoses, of course, that most vacuums do come with, and then another little one that is square, kind of like this, but doesn't have the bristles to use as well. So that's really cool. The other cool thing that I liked is that it did come with lights. I will turn it on just for 1 second to show y'all. So you are able to see a lot more things with that light option on there. Most vacuums do not have that. A power button, and then the suction button is right there, plus or minus, and it has a low or a high setting. And when I cranked it up to the high setting, it really was going to rip my carpet off. Like, it really felt like that at least, and it was insane. So I love that so much. Also love the fact that it had 2 different bristle rods that you can use on this, but it's not accessed until you actually like push the vacuum down with your foot. And so when it's just plugged in, it's not going to keep rolling and twirling around. And then just to dump this in itself, it literally tells you exactly where it's at, the dirt cup release. I thought that was so cute. You just press it and it pops right out. And then on the side, you will press this button as well and dump it out in the trash. So I thought that was super cool. The filtering system is right here, so whenever you do open it, you have access to get that out and clean it. And it did come with a spare filter, so that's really awesome and very convenient whenever you just want to continue cleaning. I think the reason why I love it so much is that I don't have to worry about any batteries dying or anything like that. I can just continue cleaning my whole entire house until I'm done and pleased with it. And it's super easy to use, and I definitely know that it's going to put in the work. The design on it is overall just incredible. It does also have a swivel option, so this part of the vacuum does get to move around and turn. Most vacuums do not have that, and so that was such a cool little thing that they added to this, and it's just incredible, guys. So it's definitely worth it, and I would be using this until it's on its last legs because it's my new best friend.